Hi friends, new video, 10 simple tips for your first river cruise. If you're getting ready for your first European river cruise or just curious what it's really like, this is your friendly guide. I'll share simple, practical advice so you know what to expect on European river cruise. I'm Oksana from Signature Travel Channel. I help travelers plan beautiful river journeys with Viking, AmaWaterways, Avalon, Uniworld, Scenic, AmaWorld, and Riverside Luxury. If you like the first-timer tips, honest shipping sites, and easy planning help, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next guide. Alright, let's get ready for the river. Here are my 10 simple tips for your first river cruise. Tip number 1, take it easy. River cruising is designed for a relaxed pace. The ships are small and the distances are short, and most days include a gentle walking tours plus free time. You don't need to do everything. Choose 1 or 2 highlights in each port and leave space to wander. Have a coffee in a pretty square, sit on the deck for 15 minutes just to watch the vineyards slide by. Arrive early to dinner if you want a quieter table. Go later if you feel social. The more you slow down, the more you notice. Church bells, the smell of fresh bread, the way the light hits the water near sunset. Take it easy isn't just being lazy, it's how you get the most of a river cruise. Tip number 2, your trip is what you make of it. Every line has options like classic walking tours, active bike rides, tastings, and time to explore on your own. Pick what fits your energy that day. Love museums? Go for it. Need a lighter day? Stroll the main streets, grab a pastry, and call it perfect. If a guided tour isn't your style, ask for a simple map and a couple of must-see suggestions. Don't measure your day by how many things you checked off. Measure it how present you felt. A river cruise gives you freedom in a safe, easy framework. Use it. Tip number 3, make friends or don't. It's entirely up to you. These ships carry roughly 100 to 190 guests, which makes it easy to recognize faces and say hello. If you enjoy meeting people, sit at a shared table, chat in the lounge, or join the afternoon trivia. If you prefer quiet time, ask for a two-top at dinner and find a cozy corner by window. Both choices are welcome. Some of my favorite memories are little conversations with fellow travelers, sharing a photo, swapping tips, but I also love the quiet moments with a cup of coffee as the river drifts by. Follow your mood, there's no pressure either way. Tip number 4, don't expect a fussy crowd. The atmosphere is friendly and low drama. Most guests choose this style of travel because they enjoy culture, history, and scenery, not loud parties. You'll see casual, nice outfits, lots of comfortable shoes, and a relaxed tone at meals. Staff are polished and kind without being stiff. The whole experience feels like a boutique hotel that happens to move. If you're picturing long lines, formal nights, or big stage shows, nope. This soft piano music, good conversations, and great night's sleep. Tip number 5, take the excuse to dress up if you like. There's no formal requirement, but if you enjoy getting a little dressed up at dinner, go for it. A simple dress, a blouse, and a slacks, or a collared shirt with a light jacket feels perfect. If you're happiest in a neat, comfortable clothes, that's great too. Pack layers. Mornings on a deck can be cool even in summer, and some cathedrals prefer covered shoulders. Keep shoes practical for cobblestones. You'll feel put together and comfortable in every setting. Tip number 6, expect a smaller stateroom and remember you once stayed in it long. Cabins on the river ships are smart, not huge. A standard room may have a fixed window. A French balcony has big glass that slides open. A veranda gives you a sit-out balcony. Storage is clever, use it. Unpack fully, slide your suitcase under the bed, and keep surfaces tidy so the room feels calm. Most of your day will be elsewhere anyways, in town, on deck, in the lounge, or at meals. Choose the room style that matches what you value, fresh air and views, or savings you can put towards special tours and treats. Tip number 7, try everything, or at least try something new each day. Say yes to little adventures. Try the local pastry your guide loves, taste the regional wine and dinner, join the gentle bike ride even you haven't biked in a while. Pop in a small museum for 20 minutes, sit up on a deck during a scenic stretch, even if it means bringing a jacket. If you're curious about food, I have a separate video called Breakfast on AmaWaterways that shows what mornings look like, menu, buffet, and tips. I'll link it in the description below. The point is, let the river, the towns, and the menus surprise you in a small, joyful ways. Tip number 8, stay flexible, especially with river levels. Rivers are natural. Now and then, water can be too low or too high. When that happens, crew will adjust, maybe a bus ride to meet the ship, maybe a ship swap, maybe a schedule tweak. It's not common, but it does happen. 2 things help: mindset and insurance. Decide ahead of time that you'll roll with small changes and protect your trip with good coverage. Most travelers still have a wonderful, full experience. They just have a slightly different story to tell at dinner. Tip number 9, ask questions. Your cruise director, local guides, and dining team are goldmine. Ask about gentle pace tour options. Ask which coffee shop locals actually visit. Ask where to buy stamps, which bakery has the warm apple strudel, or the best viewpoint of the photos. If you have dietary needs, tell the restaurant team on day 1 and remind them at dinner. They're great at helping. Curious travelers have better tips, period. No question is too small. You'll learn more, waste less time, and uncover little gems you would have missed. Tip number 10, take pictures and also take a few moments with no camera at all. Get the classic shots, morning light on the river, the ship's lunch with the big windows, your favorite church or square, and one picture of you just being there. Back up your photos each night if you can, but also put the camera down sometimes. Close your eyes, listen to the river, breathe the bakery smells. That memory lives longer than any pictures. I hope this helped you feel ready and excited. If it did, please like this video so more first-time cruisers can find it. Subscribe for weekly river cruise tips, ship tours, and honest comparisons. I'm Oksana. Thanks for watching. God bless you and travel the signature way.